Hello everyone, I'm Ben, welcome back to TechBlock. Today it is the TechBlock merch launch day. We have all of these items here and plenty more available on genie.us/TechBlock. You can use code DAY1 to save yourself 5%. The code is only valid for 24 hours, so once this video goes live, the code will be valid and you can use code DAY1 to save yourself 5% on your entire order. It's the first link in the description down below as well, so if you press that, it'll take you to the merch store. I've also left a comment down there as well with the merch store link. At the end of every single video as well, there will be a merch store end card there that you can press and that'll take you to the merch site. These aren't all the designs that are going to be available on the website. I'm currently working on a few more and they'll go live in the next month or so. So whenever I have a new merch launch or merch design coming out, I'll probably let you know in like a TechBlock vlog video, for example, when there's like some new merch available and you might be interested to pick some up. And a massive shout out to all of you who are going to go ahead and pick up some merch from the TechBlock website. I've had tons of requests over the past like a couple of months to make merchandise for TechBlock, and I've gone ahead and done so. I've spent upwards of £300 on sampling hoodie designs, t-shirt designs, and finally I've got all these and more available on the TechBlock website. The colors are also not just black and white, they're available in like green, red, purple, blue. They're available in tons of different colors. So I guess if you're not too big of a fan of like black or white t-shirts, there are plenty more colors available on the website. Also, if you do end up picking up some merch, be sure to send me a photo of you wearing the merch, for example, and I'd love to share it all over my social media of you wearing the TechBlock merch. So thank you very much for watching. Be sure to use the code DAY1 to save yourself 5% off your entire order. But yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.